Hi, and welcome to the second section of this course, Azure Redis Cache as a Service. In this section, we are going to take a look at what Azure Redis Cache service is. We are going to take a look at how we can create and access the service from Azure Portal. We will take a look at what services can be accessed from Azure Portal and what are the best practices that one has to follow in order to better utilize the service. In this video, Azure Redis Cache Overview, we are going to take a look at how Azure has implemented the Redis, and we should know that basically the Azure Redis Cache service is hosted on the cloud rather than being implemented on premises. And similarly, it is highly scalable and highly available due to the fact that it is hosted on the cloud. But still, it is a cost-effective solution because you can grow as needed by your clients and the customers. The Redis cache service itself can be installed, deployed, or run as a Docker container in the image, or it can be purchased as a service, as we will do in this section and throughout the course. Azure Redis Cache is basically an implementation of Redis protocol by Microsoft, and it is hosted on the Azure platform. The service model is that you only pay for the services or the resources that you use as you go, and it enables you to grow as you go or as your customers increase. Similarly, like every other service that Azure has to offer or provide, Azure offers the SLAs for Azure Redis Cache service as well, so that your service is highly available and provides a little latency as your customers are trying to access the resources. The category in which this service falls is a platform as a service, because you can build your own applications on top of Redis Cache service, and Microsoft is the organization or the party that has to manage the service as well as the scaling or sharding of the service. The most important feature of Azure Redis Cache service is that you can utilize up to 530 gigabytes of memory storage for caching the data, which on premises cannot be possible, or at least will cost you a lot if you have to set up a complete Redis solution on the premises. Another most important feature of Azure Redis Cache service that we are going to take a look at is the backups. As we have already seen that Redis stores the data in the memory, you might have understood so far that it requires a persistent storage to store the information for the backups. Redis supports that we can utilize the Azure storage service to store the data in the backups, and then we can easily restore the Redis state once it fails or crashes.